It's just me, don't mind me. It's just me getting ready to go into this car. I feel like Ace Ventura, pet detective, trying to get out of the rhino's ass. Lord Vader! I am Bag Vader! So Technician B told me to come grab the camera. Oh my God. What in the hell is going on over here? I don't know which one's worse, but this one is definitely freaking bad. This is definitely freaking cringy. It smells, oh God. Alright guys, this is more of a rant and rave from CSW. I got into this car to do an oil change, and I literally sat here in the drive, or excuse me, in the parking lot for a couple of minutes, just sheerly mortified. I honestly think those are all skin flakes and a mixture of dust and whatnot, and hair and spadiddle on the freaking steering wheel and all over here. I was mortified, guys. I just sat there with such a face on, and I wouldn't even touch the steering wheel. Ugh. Please, if you're going into any repair shop, facility, dealership, your best friend, your ex-boy, I don't care who's working on the car, when you bring it in for service, at least tidy up a little bit, please. Please. I know people are gonna say in the comments, yeah, I'm pissing, I'm moaning, I'm bitching, but it's shit like this that makes me rethink life decisions. It really does. And then let's go to the bay next to me. We got a used car here, and it is also oh so disgusting. Let's get back to this freaking beautiful Camry. We got a little damage right here. Go a little further back. Ooh-wee. We got some damage here too. But what I don't understand is, how'd they do that one? How'd they do that one? What hit there? Let me know in the comments, guys. I don't know how you could get a dent here and not break the taillight. It's not a shopping cart. So, let's go to this used car. This is going to be in another video right here. Nothing but cigarette ash and regret. That's what this car smells like. Ugh. The freaking mortified grimace that I had on my face. Now guys, I usually, well not usually, I always road test a car before and after. I'm sorry. I didn't road test this car before. It was in the yard. I drove it right into the shop, and not for nothing, it's going right back into the lot. It burns my eyes. That's how bad it is. I'm sorry, the customer has to freaking smell. They have to smell.